Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verses 6. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today, we are going to make one of the best rice recipes that I absolutely love from Ghana. Waakye is on the menu. Definitely, this is not our first time making waakye on this channel. There are lots of recipes out here. Today, I'm going to make it a little bit different. Today, I'm showing you how to make this with just your sorghum leaves. With no artificial sodiums, we are going to get this as natural as possible. So please be sure to stay tuned and let's get right into it. So these are the ingredients. It has been listed below. I have just 4 ingredients for this: some sorghum leaves, some black-eyed beans, and some rice. So to begin with, I'm going to go ahead and wash my beans very well, getting rid of each and every unwanted particles in there, the stones and whatever. Okay, these are organic beans that I chose. I'm going to also soak it for about 30 minutes before I start to boil it. Okay, so after washing it for 2 times, I'm going to just set it aside and let it rest. And on the other hand, I'm going to go ahead and wash my sorghum leaves very, very well, getting rid of all the unnecessary particles that we do not need. Okay, and it's very important to tie it very well so that you do not lose the leaves in the rice at the end. It can be very annoying. Okay, so it's good to assemble them very well and just tie them with some cotton and you're good to go. So we're going to go ahead and boil the sorghum leaf for about 10 minutes. We want to activate those beautiful colors. Mind you, we're not going to use any bicarbonate soda, so we want the colors to be as natural as possible. After about 5 minutes, this is what we got. It was just so amazing. And today I'm also making waakye in a clay pot for the first time, so I was pretty much excited. Just check this pot out. It's absolutely beautiful. So about 10 minutes of boiling our sorghum leaf, it is ready now to receive our beans. Here I use 4.5 cups of my black-eyed beans. You want to make sure that you have enough beans more than the rice, because waakye with more beans is a vibe. It is very, very rich that way. Okay, so you cover it, allow this to cook for about 20 minutes. Already know cooking beans really needs lots of water. We lost the first amount of water we added, so I'm going to add in extra hot water. I used about 3 more cups, and I'm going to go ahead and cover it once again. I'm going to cook this for another 20 minutes or until the beans is partially soft. Okay, we don't want it to cook all the way through. Okay, and it looks beautiful. You can see that it has absorbed that natural colors from the sorghum leaves. Absolutely beautiful. So it's now time to take out the sorghum leaf and add our washed rice. The total amount of rice used here are just 2.5 cups. You always want your beans to be times 2 of the rice that you're going to use. Okay, just so that your waakye will be nice and very rich. Okay, rich auntie's waakye. That's how we do it. So I'm going to also season it with a bit of salt, taste and adjust it to your preference. Okay, and make sure you stir very well to combine. Cover it, allow everything to take course, and you realize that you lose all the good amount of water here. Just give it time for about 25 minutes. Your waakye should be ready, but did be checking on it. Just there, make sure you do not burn the bottom of your pot, especially in this clay pot. I just wanted to make sure that I'm not burning anything and everything is well cooking through, and it was just so beautiful. Cooking in a clay pot is such a beautiful thing. I think everyone should own one. All right, so I went ahead to cover it, allow this to cook for an additional 15 minutes. The cooking time for rice normally is 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so on a medium heat, I just let it cook, took the time that it needed, and I went ahead to make some salad for my waakye, because my waakye stew was ready, spaghettis were ready, everything was ready to go. I added some red onions as well. And oh boy, I was so ready to have this waakye. It's been a while since I had some good waakye. If you're watching and you're loving this recipe so far, please kindly share with your friends and family. And also, it's very important to give me a thumbs up as it helps this channel grow. All that I did to this salad is just season it with a bit of salt, add a sprinkle of oil, and that was it. It was showtime after 25 to 30 minutes of cooking my waakye as I want it to be. Very nice and very soft, just so moist, just the way I love and enjoy my waakye. My waakye stew was ready. I'm going to bring this recipe very soon to you. Please watch out. It's definitely the best stew to pair with your waakye. It's a blend of shito and stew. It is called the shito stew. It's absolutely amazing. Just like how I want to serve my waakye, I had my leaves, more salad for me, a little bit of spaghetti, and that amazing shito stew was also presenting with my eggs, my wele, my beef. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. This was definitely a showstopper. Yes, the leaves are very old. It's about 2 years old in my freezer, but I still went ahead to use it because why not? It's Waakye Wednesday. We have to enjoy. So there you have it, family. I really hope you enjoy this recipe and you're going to give it a shot. I also have lots of waakye recipes here, which I'm going to link below, and you're going to enjoy each and every one of them. Okay, I am going to link it here and below, so please be sure to check them out. And I also want to say thank you so much for watching right to the end. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share with few friends and family, and if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day.